Hello everybody, it's Sherry here with L'Amour Pours, and yes, I'm still working on that new technique. I would like to give a shout out to Pieces of Terra. She's got amazing videos on exactly how to create this recipe for this very, very thin base. And also to Dwight Pours, also to Elise Fournier. She is one of the most amazing artists I've ever watched. Could watch her for hours. So with those videos in mind, I tried a few paintings this last couple days, and these pearl cells just take over a painting, just completely take over a painting, and they are beautiful, but I was trying to find a way to try to make those pearl cells come up a bit less. And so I put a thicker bottom base on that and then spread it out with my hairdryer. And then I layered the thin layers of paint on top of that. Two reasons. Since this paint is so thin, the edges can not get completely covered, and this was a way to cover the edges. And also, hopefully, those cells would have a harder time getting through that thicker paint. And, well, it's working out. I mean, I love this painting. Got really lucky, I feel, with this one. I'm going to try to replicate it tomorrow. I'm going to do the exact same thing. Thick paint on the bottom and thin on the top, and we'll see what we get. Really a lot of fun with a new technique in art. So thank you so much for watching. I will be doing different things with this technique, probably for a couple of weeks. I really love these effects. They are just beautiful. And look at how little the cells came up. Really, really nicely. So there we are. Thanks for watching.